Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW guys, I'm talking about any BMW with 6-cylinder gasoline engine such as engine guys N51, N52, N53, N54 guys. It may actually work for N55 but I'm not quite sure. And you need to remove or replace or locate vacuum pump, also known as brake booster vacuum pump guys. Stay with us and we'll show you guys where that pump is located and what needs to be done to remove and replace it. Now we will explain where it's located, what tools you need and all that stuff, but if you want to see the very detailed replacement video, it's coming very soon. We're just waiting on our tool, but I'm going to explain what you need guys before you start the job, because you will need special tools and we'll explain why. Quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Specifically on BMWs, we make close to 400 to 500 videos. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing that free information. Now, if you guys need to buy a new pump, replacement parts, tools, special tools, check out the links in the description of the video below. We'll share them for your convenience. So, now, we have guys a 2006 BMW with N52 engine that we will demonstrate on, but N51, N53, N54 will be very similar, all of them. N53 and 4 will differ a little bit, but it will be very close procedure guys. The first thing will be, you will need to actually remove the intake manifold of your BMW 6-cylinder engine guys. If you don't know how to do that, we have the link in the description of the video below how to remove the intake manifold. Okay, it's complicated procedure. You will need to properly disconnect the car battery. It really matters which terminal you disconnect first, negative or positive. I will put the link to the video guys if you don't know that. And we will need to do that because the engine starter is here. That's a positive wire coming from the battery and one is going to the alternator. Once we do all that, we get to that device that's called a vacuum pump guys, on the back side close to the alternator. Now, if you guys have a vacuum leak, okay, weak brakes, pump not working correctly guys, check out the hose. Okay, that's the number one reason it starts cracking. Ours has a crack here and a crack there. It could be just a cracked hose that is causing that, or a broken hose, and you may not even need to replace the pump guys. No need to waste money unless you have to. So we'll have guys, okay, video on the channel coming soon how to replace the pump. But this pump guys, you do not replace it from the back side. Okay, if you remove these bolts, this is just for the cover. Don't guys, you have to work from the front of your engine. Okay, and the front of your engine guys right here. So what do you have to do? You have to remove the idler pulley and all that stuff, and the vacuum pump, okay, let me open the thing, is actually part of the, okay, it's let me see where it went. It's part of the timing chain system guys of your vehicle, on your vehicle. This is the main timing chain. The secondary timing chain is right here with the oil pump guys, you can see, and the brake vacuum pump right there. There is a special tool that you need to use, okay, to set everything in place while you're replacing the pump. Otherwise your timing may jump, your timing may be off, balancer shaft, oil pump, all that, so that can severely damage your engine and you may end up needing a new engine or the engine rebuild if you do not follow the procedure. So we'll have the procedure coming very soon guys, but things you will need, okay, check the hose, check here the clamps, make sure it's not loose. If you need to replace the pump, we'll put the link, and we'll put the link to the tool. It's a different tool for N51 and N52 engine, and it's a different tool for N53 and N54 engine guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.